Right then, so quick update on what we've done so far on this bike and what's left to do. We start front end, so underneath here and all this disc and all that wheel are completely coated in oil. Not sure where it was from, possibly from blown caliper seals. So we put a new set of seals in there, put a new hose on, knocked some dents out of that, but it's got a bit more work to be done to that. The bike wasn't running, so we've had to put a CDI unit on it, but that was the only electrical problem that I found, I think. Oh, the indicators were missing. We've added a couple of indicator stalks. We've had to do a little bit of touch-up paintwork on this, and the chrome back here is peeling off, so I'm going to have to take this off and get it re-chromed at some point, acid dipped and re-chromed. Front brake master cylinder had two rebuild kits in it. Had a bit of a strange issue, but we have brakes now, so front brakes are working. The gear selector was seized, that's now freed up and working fine. If you look at the aluminium on here, looks like it's actually corroded, but it's not. It's all been lacquered, and the pitting that you can see is all in the lacquer. Prove that just here, where I basically polished the lacquer off, and underneath it is bright shiny aluminium, so that's nice. Carbs have been off twice in the ultrasonic. Turns out that is the best way to clean them. Put them back together, blew all the ports out. They seem to be working better now. There's a vacuum assist on this petcock, which didn't work, does now. What else have we done? Seats on it, that was missing. Not much at the back end, other than we've put new brake pads in the rear, brake shoes in the rear drum. Add that off, everything's greased that should be greased. Moving round to this side of the bike, air filter had a mouse nest in it, so we've thrown that away, put a new air filter in, cleaned all the mouse gunk out. There were air leaks literally everywhere, and this bike is really sensitive to air leaks. The reason it was backfiring and popping and banging on the last video was because of air leaks. Tried to tune it out, wouldn't happen. Fixed the air leaks, problem gone away. So apart from some cleaning up still to do, it's ready for its MOT test tomorrow, so we're going to take it and get it MOT tested. And then I can go and apply for the British registration for it, and that should be all. It's running a lot better than it did do. No more popping and banging. So now that we've fixed the air leaks, there's no backfiring. Well, there's a little bit of backfiring on deceleration, but there always is. But it's not popping and banging and struggling. Took it to the petrol station, filled it up, runs really nice. Gears work fantastic. So yeah, trip to the MOT station tomorrow, get it tested, and then get it registered.